Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to install VMware Workstation in Windows 10. So let's get started. So here I'm on the VMware website. I'll provide this link in the description. So I'll just scroll down a bit and here we can see Download Workstation 16 Pro for Windows. I'll just click on Download Now. And here we can see the download has started. I'll pause this for a while and start when the download is done. Okay, so now the download has been complete. So I'll just click on Run. Now I'll click on Yes. I'll just close the browser. Now I'll just click on Next. I'll just click on I accept the terms, then click on Next. Now I'll just leave this to default and click on Next. And then I'll just click on Next again. And then I'll click on Next again. And then Install. Now it has started the installation. Okay, so now the installation has been complete. Now I'll click on Finish. So here we can see the icon for the VMware Workstation is here. Now if I double click on this, the VMware will open. So here it asks for a license key, but we don't have a license key. I'll just click I want to try VMware Workstation for 30 days and then click on Continue. Now I'll click on Yes and I'll click on Finish. Now here you can see the VMware Workstation has started. So this was all on how to install VMware in Windows 10. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.